Hi there, fellow backpackers. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy backpack that weighs you down and makes your adventure less enjoyable? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to pack your backpack for a lightweight and comfortable adventure. We know that packing your backpack can be a daunting task, especially if you're going on a long trip or exploring a new destination. But with our expert advice, you'll be able to pack smart and enjoy your adventure to the fullest. So, whether you're a seasoned backpacker or new to the game, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to pack like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned backpacker or a first-timer, packing your backpack can be a daunting task. But fear not. By the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge and confidence you need to pack like a pro. We'll cover everything from how to choose the right backpack to what to pack for a long-distance hike. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn some valuable tips that will make your backpacking experience unforgettable. Are you excited? We sure are. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of packing, let's first discuss why packing your backpack correctly is so crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable adventure. Firstly, an improperly packed backpack can lead to discomfort and pain, which can ruin your whole trip. If you don't distribute the weight evenly, you may end up with a sore back, shoulders, or hips. And let's not forget about blisters and chafing caused by poorly fitting shoes or clothes. Secondly, an overstuffed backpack can also make it difficult to find what you need when you need it. Imagine searching for your raincoat in the pouring rain, only to find it buried deep in your backpack. Not fun, right? And finally, packing smart can help you save time, money, and hassle. You won't have to waste time looking for a hostel or hotel if you're carrying a lightweight and portable tent. And you won't have to spend money on unnecessary items or overweight baggage fees. Now, let us share some horror stories of backpackers who didn't pack their backpacks properly. We've heard of people carrying too much gear, leaving essential items behind, and even injuring themselves due to poorly packed backpacks. But fear not. We're here to help you avoid these mistakes and ensure a comfortable and enjoyable backpacking trip. So let's get started. Now that you understand why packing your backpack is so important, let's dive into the first step, choosing the right backpack. There are many types of backpacks available on the market, each with their own pros and cons. Here are a few of the most common types. 1. Day packs. These are lightweight and compact backpacks perfect for day trips, short hikes, or city explorations. 1. They usually have a capacity of 10 to 35 liters and can easily fit all your essentials. 2. Internal frame backpacks. These are larger backpacks that can hold a lot more gear and are designed for multi-day trips or backpacking adventures. 2. They have an internal frame that distributes the weight evenly, making them more comfortable to carry. 3. External frame backpacks. These are the oldest and most traditional type of backpacks. 3. They have a metal frame on the outside, which helps distribute the weight and allows for better ventilation. 3. However, they are bulkier and less versatile than internal frame backpacks. 4. Hydration packs. These are backpacks with a built-in hydration system, allowing you to stay hydrated on the go. 4. They are usually small and lightweight, perfect for day hikes or cycling. So how do you choose the right backpack for your needs? Here are a few tips. 1. Consider the length of your trip and the amount of gear you need to carry. 1. If you're going on a multi-day trip, you'll need a larger backpack than if you're going on a day hike. 2. Think about the type of terrain you'll be encountering. 2. If you're going on a rough trail or off-road adventure, you'll need a backpack with a sturdy frame and good support. 3. Try on different backpacks and see which one feels the most comfortable. 3. Remember, you'll be carrying this backpack for hours on end, so comfort is key. 4. Look for backpacks with multiple compartments and pockets, allowing you to easily organize your gear. By considering these factors, you'll be able to choose the right backpack for your needs and ensure a comfortable and enjoyable backpacking trip. Now that you have the right backpack, let's move on to the second step, packing your backpack. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to pack your backpack for a lightweight and comfortable adventure. Step 1. Lay out all your gear and categorize them into groups. This will help you determine what needs to go where and how much space each item will take up. Step 2. Put the heaviest items, like your sleeping bag or stove, at the bottom of your backpack. This will help distribute the weight evenly and prevent your backpack from tipping over. Step 3. Pack your clothes next, rolling them tightly to save space. Use compression sacks to compress them further and to keep them organized. Step 4. Put your lighter items, like your cooking utensils or toiletries, on top of your clothes. These items can go in smaller pockets or compartments. Step 5. Attach any bulky items, like your tent or sleeping pad, to the outside of your backpack. This will free up space inside your backpack and keep these items easily accessible. Step 6. Pack your backpack in a balanced way, ensuring the weight is distributed evenly. Use the hip belt to transfer the weight from your shoulders to your hips, which can carry more weight comfortably. Here are a few additional tips to help you pack your backpack like a pro. 1. Keep frequently used items, like your water bottle or map, in easily accessible pockets. 2. Put any items that need to stay dry, like your electronics or spare clothes, in waterproof bags or dry bags. 3. Use packing cubes or compression sacks to keep your gear organized and to maximize space. By following these tips and packing your backpack smartly, you'll be able to enjoy a comfortable and lightweight backpacking adventure. Now that you know how to pack your backpack, let's talk about what to pack. Here's a checklist of essential items to pack for a backpacking trip. 1. Shelter. This includes a tent, sleeping bag, and sleeping pad. 1. Choose lightweight and compact options to save space. 2. Clothing. Pack clothes that are versatile and can be worn in layers. 2. Include rain gear, a warm jacket, and a hat and gloves if you'll be in cold weather. 3. Food and water. Pack lightweight and high-energy foods like nuts, dried fruits, and energy bars. 3. Bring a water filtration system or water purification tablets to ensure a safe water supply. 4. Navigation. Bring a map, compass, or GPS device to help you navigate. 4. A headlamp or flashlight is also essential. 5. First aid kit. Pack a basic first aid kit with bandages, pain relievers, and any medication you need. 6. Hygiene. Pack a toothbrush, toothpaste, biodegradable soap, and a towel. 6. Consider bringing hand sanitizer and insect repellent as well. 7. Emergency items. Pack a whistle, a fire starter, and a multi-tool like a Swiss Army knife. Here are a few additional tips to help you pack efficiently and minimize unnecessary items. 1. Pack only what you need and avoid bringing duplicate items. 1. For example, you probably don't need multiple pairs of shoes or extra sets of clothes. 2. Consider the climate and terrain you'll be encountering and pack accordingly. 3. Use travel-sized toiletries and pack them in a small toiletry bag to save space. 4. Pack items inside your backpack in a logical and organized way, making sure to distribute the weight evenly. By following this checklist and these tips, you'll be able to pack efficiently and ensure you have all the essential items for a successful backpacking trip. And that's it. You now know how to pack your backpack like a pro for your next backpacking adventure. Remember, packing your backpack correctly is crucial for a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Make sure to choose the right backpack for your needs, organize your gear properly, and pack only the essential items. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any additional packing tips or experiences to share, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and adventures. Thanks for watching, and happy backpacking!